This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 62 of building the Ford GT. This is the one where we get the gearbox, the transmission put together. Looking at the 1969 World Sports Prototype Championships. Interesting. Is that our car? So the headlights look a bit different, but I don't think they do. I think it's just me misremembering things. So there we go. Looking at that. That's a big bubble there. I don't know about that. So yes, this is the transmission case part 3. We've got a couple of parts to fit to the other parts that we've done, and then fit it together and indeed screw it together. So yeah, let's get it built in no time at all. So in this issue, we've got 2 packs of screws, FD01 and FP01. We're going to be using both of those to put things together. So the first bit is this going onto there. Let's move that over there, and I'll know exactly where I am. This is putting into there. There's a pin that locates into that hole, just like that, and then a screw, the FP01, because this is a plastic part, big metal part, but the little plastic part being attached to it, and the other one is also plastic part being attached, so I'll need 2 screws for that in a moment as well. So let's go. Let's get that, and that's going through there. Which will hold that together like that. I don't know exactly what that is, but I'm sure it's necessary. Then to the top of this, or the bottom of this, I don't know which one, we are fitting that part. I don't think it's that way around. I'm pretty sure it's going to be that way around. But throw away, well, I didn't throw away. I moved away the instructions because I thought, it's easy. I know what I'm doing. I didn't know what I'm doing. Yes, it is indeed that way around. So 2 screws will hold that in place. And they will go through there like that. One there. And one up the top there. Like so. That is now nice and secure. And then one more bit to fit to that. The front end goes on there like so, and that's going to be using the D screw because it's going into the metal. D for metal. There we go. Probably D for die cast, I would assume. We're going to need 3 more of those for putting the 2 halves together. So let's get 4 screws out. One of them I will use immediately through there. I can get that on there and in there indeed. Doesn't feel, it does. It didn't feel like it was tightening down, but it does now. So there you go. That is that end cap on there. And then that goes on there, obviously, the right way round. And we've got 3 screws to put in there. 1, 2, and 3. Once that all lines up on there. We've got 3 holes on the side of that. Let's get one through there. In, not tight yet, but it's in. Pretty much got to be lined up because otherwise everything wouldn't be. But always a good idea to get them all in a bit before you tighten down the first one, as I'm sure I've mentioned before. And there is the 3rd screw in, so I can tighten that one down and then I can come back and tighten up the others as well. That one and that one. That is a quite nice looking piece, even if I do say so myself. Not much colour to it, but it does the job. This is obviously going to fit against where you're not going to see it. But that bit, well, you're not going to see any of this anyway. It's going to be under the front, under the back, actually. The engine's at the back on this, isn't it? So you might be able to see bits of it. I don't know. But there we have another part done, and indeed another month done. So thank you very much for joining me on this build. If you're following any other builds, they'll be upcoming soon. But this one is going to be waiting another few weeks until another delivery turns up. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I shall see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.